Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Nice meeting you.
Take care.
Hey everybody, welcome to Cassette Streets and Eats. I'm Chris Bauer. I am at a horror convention this weekend called Scarefest. It's in Lexington, Kentucky. And why am I at a horror convention? I don't really do much. I have very little horror stuff, but I'm actually here because a movie I acted in called 13 Slays Till Xmas is having its theatrical premiere here tonight. So I'm gonna go take you around, show you some of the other actors and the director and the producer, and then we're gonna go see the movie, and I hope you join us. Let's travel. I'm Chris Bauer, and I am an art slinger. I travel around the US selling artwork at comic and anime conventions, and while I'm there, I like to check out cool sites, eat great food, and see all the places my favorite movies and TV shows are made. Welcome to Sets, Streets, and Eats. What's up? Thanks, buddy. Hi, guys.
And so is this going to go online where you have to show us first? I'm like, no, you need to take it offline.
Well, I mean, I'll have to blur you out completely. You'll look like you're in witness protection.
Hold on a second. Have you met Blair?
I don't think so. I'm Chris. Nice to meet you, Blair.
We did one of the segments in 13 Slays.
Oh, very cool. Very cool. Right on. I didn't do a segment. I was just in it.
Hey, I like your shirt, by the way.
I know. It's a nice shirt. It is a nice shirt. Yeah. Where is all of yours? Oh, sorry, guys. Yeah. It's my Bluetooth microphone. Picks up better than any mic I've ever used on set. I'm not kidding you. And I can put this down over there and we'll walk off as long as I have a line of sight. Perfect audio.
Right.
Unbelievable. I was explaining your joke. You were unclear.
I'm trying to make it better, right?
I was trying to give it a punch up. It's like your scripts.
Yeah. So here's the thing. So, sorry, don't take offense. What
That was good.
means
No, I don't blame you.
is Shoot Boys Blood Horror Stories. He plays the real. At least it smells good. We're shooting the wraparound, and like I've written the wraparound, and I'm sitting there in the background, and I noticed like all the dialogue is different. And I'm like, ask somebody, I'm like, why is the dialogue different?
Yeah.
And then him and like the director, James Treacle, they're like, oh, well, we changed the dialogue.
It made it better.
He's like, we thought we'd punch it up. Do something different.
Why do I have a writer then?
And then what's funny is you come up, what was the line in the kitchen that you said that we were all dying laughing? And it's like crickets.
Remember.
It was like a rap reference. It was a reference.
Oh! I remember the rap reference. I can't remember the rap
Yeah, you
reference.
made some ad-lib thing, and then everybody laughed.
It'll hit
and
you
then-
about halfway.
It will. I'll be like, there's the
So I
line.
put in the movie because everybody's like, oh, it's so
Yeah.
funny, but now you watch it with like a
Nothing. Yeah, it's flat as hell.
Silent.
Flat as hell. Yeah, I agree completely. I was like, why did we change that line? Had we
would've
stuck to
erupted
it.
in laughter.
Right.
Whatever was originally there.
Yeah, I don't remember what it was. Anyway, we're premiering the movie theatrically tonight, right?
We are.
13 Slays Till Xmas.
Yes.
You prefer Christmas, but. Right.
I barely remember what I write, let alone what I say.
Well, that's why you put it on film, so it can be immortalized. You don't have to remember.
That's true. That's my plan, is to be immortalized.
Right. Oh, you're definitely going to do that. You've been killed how many times on screen?
Once.
What? Is it only one? Are you serious?
Yeah, but when I got killed, I lost volumes of blood.
Oh, that's right.
But I got...
Oh, that's right. You didn't
I
get
got
killed in...
suffocated, stabbed about 12 times in the face, and then my head run over by a car, so...
I mean, that's a lot. Yeah, that is three. That is three.
He
Yeah,
has
that's
been
true.
mutilated
Yeah.
and other stuff.
Oh, all right. Anyway, just chatted with the director, some of the actors. That was Eric was one of the producers, and of course PJ was the director of the segment that I was in. It's a horror anthology. It was a lot of fun to film. I got to work with a few actors that I hadn't worked with in a few years, and I really enjoyed it. So hopefully you guys will too. And we're excited about going to see this in an actual movie theater. Not an honor you always get in indie horror films. So it's kind of nice that it's happening. So I'm wearing the shirt from the movie. I'm that guy. According to Jeremy Piven and PCU, you're not supposed to be that guy. You never wear the shirt of the band you're going to see. But here I am going to see the movie tonight, and I'm in the shirt from the movie. So I'm that guy now. It's all right though. I'm not upset about it. I don't know what kind of turnout to expect. I'm not expecting much. I'm guessing it's probably going to be just a few people. Just because they have a lot of screenings at the film festival over across the street at the theater. And I don't know exactly what kind of promotion this has gotten besides people coming to the booths today. So we'll see. I did sign 2 autographs already from people that bought the movie on Blu-ray, and then they came by my booth and asked me to sign the cover. So it's been a fun day. I'm back. Living the dream. Look who walks up.
Well, it's a bad time.
I know.
He's an actor and also.
Groovy.
Find one with a really fine temp.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
There you go.
There's that one. I'd redo the crisp, but it would mess it up.
Yeah.
Let's do.
Is that me or you? That's me.
There it is.
Indiana.
That's my 4th autograph today. It's getting to be old hat now. So I'm staying with some of my fellow cast members. Alyssa was in the film. She hurts me in the movie. Jay was there. Christian wasn't, but he's like bodyguarding now, which is what works.
Safety.
Yeah, safety first.
You gotta have safety.
Always wear a helmet.
Always. Always. Well, yeah, obviously I have nothing to protect my head from, there's no hair there, so it all fell down onto my back, which we discussed earlier. So. All right, so we're gonna go see this movie. Hopefully we're not the only ones there, but we might be the only ones there, so.
We have fans for
I would
days.
love it if that were true. That would be wonderful.
They're
But
lining up for this.
lining, there's lines.
IMDb masterpiece.
I believe that's a lie, but don't Google it. So, yeah,
Facts. Facts.
we'll see you over there. All right, we are in theater number 1, which I just passed. Here we go.
Where are your wings then?
Oh, I don't have any wings, Charlie.
Yeah, you look like the kind of angel I'd have. Fallen angel.
Now you're getting it.
So it looks like the movie's going on. It's pretty cool. It's about midway through the movie right now. I'll probably go in there in just a second, but I just wanted to go out and grab something to eat.
Santa does not bring presents to kids who disobey their parents. You know that. My mom's dead. I guess I won't have to worry about her turning me down then. Oh, too far.
You should just follow the GPS.
I did, and we're still late.
Some things can't be brought back.
Sounds like you've got at least one good story to tell.
producers. Our cameraman in the background over here tonight.
As he does his thing.
Yeah. I guess what we can do real quick is we can kind of go down the line and just like say who you were and what you did in the movie. Chris, we'll start with you.
My name was Red, clearly. That makes perfect sense. I'm Chris Bauer. I played Red.
I'm Jay Woolston. I played Father. For some reason, I keep getting cast as priest by Steve. I'm not really sure why.
You got a priest's face.
I don't know.
It's because I never had a father.
Is that what it is?
I'm Alyssa Rhodes. I everybody.
Good one.
Yay.
I'm Eric Huskisson, of course. I'm the co-owner of Loving Pictures. I helped produce it. I wrote and directed The Scary Net. I had a little cameo in the Dead Air. One that blew the little horn with mustache and glasses. That was me. PJ Starks.
Like the multiple tales in one movie type thing.
Well, our previous two movies were also anthologies. The first one was called Volumes of Blood, and it was Halloween themed. We wanted to see if it was a fluke or not, so we did a sequel. But we wanted to kind of go in a different direction too. So instead of just focusing on Halloween, we did a movie that focused on multiple different holidays. Also a birthday, which I guess is kind of like a personal holiday, I guess. And I said something to Eric. I'm like, hey, I came up with this great idea. And he's like, can we finish this fucking movie first? And yeah, so it got like put on the shelf and nothing got done with it. And then we tried to finish out the Volumes of Blood movies.
Yeah, we focused on that. I mean, that's what we were doing.
And couldn't get it financed. And then we were like, and then I got to a point where I sat down with him. I said, I want to do something that can be fun and fast and not take a whole lot of capital to do. And then I was like, well, what about 13 Slays Till Christmas? Because the idea was you get 13 different filmmakers and each of them make like a 6 to 8 minute segment that's Christmas.
I live in Texas.
It was gonna be in Texas, and then the pandemic pushed him.
COVID pushed me off.
And he went to Atlanta to film his segment. So
Basically anywhere where there's porn.
yeah, right.
Porn.
Anywhere where there wasn't.
Of course, porn. Porn was hinging on this, yes.
So are there any plans to release it on any networks or anything like that, or?
If that were to happen, that would be awesome. Right now, no. It did just come out or got put on Amazon Prime this past week as a rental or to buy. We do have a contract which starts in December, correct, with Comcast. There is another streaming platform that we're really not allowed to, or we're afraid to talk to. That would be a big thing for us. We're afraid to talk about it. Just the fact the movie got made at all is like a miracle. Yeah. And it looks, I mean, you can't even tell. And that was the other thing too. Like when we were talking to these guys, and it was a communication thing, and
Died?
it sounded like somebody died behind the screen. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, it's because of the perseverance of like everybody up here and the ones that couldn't be here that this thing even happened. So it's all because of them.
Well, that about sums it up. We are about to get on out of here. We just finished up the premiere, and we're going to get something to eat. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.